Championship, a thrilling season that brought intense battles, high-speed drama, and some of the world's best GT racing action. If you're a motorsport fan, stick around because this was a season to remember. The 2011 FIA GT1 World Championship was the second and final season of this global GT1 series, sanctioned by the FIA and promoted by SRO Motorsports Group. It featured 10 rounds across Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, showcasing GT1 spec supercars from legendary manufacturers like Lamborghini, Nissan, Aston Martin, Ford, and Corvette. This season saw a mix of new and returning teams, with drivers battling for supremacy in a championship that pushed both man and machine to the limit. Each race weekend consisted of 2 races, a qualifying race, which set the grid, and the championship race, where the real points were on the line. One major change from 2010 was the increased weight and restrictions placed on cars to balance performance, making competition tighter than ever. Also, there were no European races after round 5, with the final rounds taking place in China, Brazil, and Argentina, bringing global exposure to the series. The season kicked off in Abu Dhabi, where Hexus AMR's Aston Martin made a strong statement. But it was the Nissan GTRs of JR Motorsports that emerged as dominant contenders throughout the year. The championship battle was fierce, but in the end, it was the German duo of Michael Krum and Lucas Luhr, driving for Nissan's JR Motorsports, who took the driver's title after a season of consistent performances and key victories. In the team's championship, Hexus AMR secured the top spot, proving that Aston Martin's GT1 program was still a force to be reckoned with. But here's where things took a turn. 2011 marked the final season of the FIA GT1 World Championship, as we knew it. Due to rising costs and declining manufacturer interest, the series was discontinued, paving the way for the FIA GT World Series in a new GT3-based format. This was the end of an era for GT1 racing, but its legacy lives on in today's GT3 championships, which continue to deliver world-class endurance and sprint racing. And that's a wrap on the 2011 FIA GT1 World Championship. What do you think about the end of GT1? Do you miss the raw power of these machines, or do you prefer modern GT3 racing? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorsport content. See you in the next one.